Next topic beta, vermi composting. So in our previous section, in our previous video, we have discussed about vermi compost and vermi composting. So beta, vermi compost is a worm manure in which the manure is formed with the help of red worms or earthworms. And we have seen in earlier section that certain component of garbage rot completely, means decay completely with the help of microorganism and did not smell. The completely rotten garbage can be used as manure. If we use that manure for the plant, that can save our lot of money to use for buying fertilizers. So what is composting? Again we will discuss that. What is composting? The process of rotting and conversion of kitchen and animal waste into manure is called composting, and method of preparing compost with the help of red worm or earthworm is called vermicomposting. So due to that, the earthworms are called farmer friends because they help in preparing of compost, and because they convert the agriculture waste into manure, the worm need moist organic material and at least temperature 30 degree to 25 degrees Celsius for their survival, that they can often get from the soil. Okay, because that worm often stay in dark environment. Next topic beta, many material can be recycled. So first of all, what is recycling? What is recycling? So many material we often see in environment which can be recycled, means they are processed and after remolded into new thing. So what is recycling? The reprocessing of certain waste material to obtain it in its usable form is called recycling. Now beta, you can easily guess at our home number of things are there which can we give to the track pickers or we sell that can be recycled, like metal waste, okay, glass, paper waste and certain plastic. These things easily sent to their respective industries and that can be recycled there. Okay, so recycling, what is the benefit of that recycling? Recycling conserve not only the non-renewable resources but some renewable resources also. For example, recycling of paper waste save trees because we get paper from trees. So if we recycle the paper, then there is no need to cut more trees. Second thing, recycling of metal, glass, etc. save energy and natural resources. How? Because recycling of metal waste save energy that is used for extracting again a new metal from their ores. Beta, ores, what are that ores? When metal is extracted, that time that is in impure form. That impure form of metal, when it is extracted, that is called their ores. Okay, so that things which can be recycled are generally empty toothpaste tubes, newspaper waste, electric bulbs, empty oil tins, PVC shoes. Okay, next thing beta, recycling of paper. Only the paper used in newspaper, magazines, books, notebooks, etc. can be recycled. Shining plastic, metal coated paper, that cannot be recycled. Recycling of paper waste is generally described in that activity that you can read itself.